Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss the differentiability of the function of two variables. Now there are some special problem. Now problem first is if fxy equal to xy upon under root x square plus y square comma x comma y is not equal to 0 comma 0. Now at xy is equal to 0 0, the value of function will be 0. Okay, is continuous at origin but not differentiable at that point, that is origin. Now solution. Now to check the continuity of the function, we can calculate simultaneous limit of the function, that is fxy minus 0 equivalent to xy upon under root x square plus y square minus 0 whole modulus lesser equal xy modulus upon under root x square plus y square always lesser than x modulus y modulus upon x square plus y square under root. Since modulus of x always lesser than or equal to under root x square plus y square, similarly modulus of y always less or equal to under root x square plus y square. Now putting their value here, under root x square plus y square, under root x square plus y square. Now under root x square plus y square, this is cancelled by this. Now we get under root x square plus y square. Always to show lesser epsilon, it is only when x square lesser epsilon square upon the root 2 or y square lesser epsilon square upon 2, that is x modulus lesser epsilon upon under root 2 comma y modulus lesser under epsilon upon under root 2. Now choosing epsilon upon under root 2 is equal to delta. Delta is depend on epsilon, always positive. Now implies we can say fxy minus 0 modulus always lesser epsilon for every x modulus lesser delta comma y modulus lesser delta. Okay, imply that limit x comma y tending to 0 comma 0 fxy is equal to 0. This is the functional value of the at origin equal to functional value at origin. Okay, the simultaneous limit is equivalent to the functional value of the function at that given point, then we can say function will be continuous. Implies function is continuous at origin, that is 0 0. Now to check differentiability at origin. For differentiability, for differentiability at origin. That is hk upon under root h square plus k square, always can be written as 0 into a plus 0 into b plus under root h square plus k square into phi hk, where phi hk tending to 0 as h comma k tending to 0 0. Now phi hk, value of phi hk. Now phi hk is equal to hk upon h square plus k square. Okay. Now the limit of phi hk tending to 0 at hk tending to 0 0. That is, we can calculate simultaneous limit of phi hk. Okay, the limit hk tending to 0 0 of phi hk, this is equal to limit k tending to 0 by putting by along the path k is equal to mh. That is, hk tending to 0 0 implies that k tending to 0. Now putting k is equal to mh upon h square plus k m square h square, now here h tending to 0. Okay, now h square common is cancelled by h square, then we get m upon 1 plus m square. The limit, simultaneous limit of hk along k is equal to mh is independent of the variable, it depends on the value of m. Now for every finite value of m, that is, we can say different value of m, the limit of phi hk always different value, therefore it is not unique, therefore it is not differentiable at origin. Okay, student. Now next question, that is problem second. If function fxy is equal to 1 upon x square plus y square when x comma y is not equal to 0 comma 0, when xy equal to 0 comma 0, the value of the function is 0, then so that fxy is discontinuous at origin, that is 0 0. Now solution is, we can calculate the simultaneous limit of function fxy, limit xy tending to 0 0 equal to limit xy tending to 0 comma 0 1 upon x square plus y square. Now take path y equal to x, that is xy tending to 0 0, convert or transform into x tending to 0 only. This is equal to limit x tending to 0. Now we put here y is equal to x, that is x square plus x square. Now limit x tending to 0. This is equal to 2x square. This is equal to 1 upon 0 is equal to infinity. Okay, that is fxy is not differentiable. Imply fxy is not differentiable at origin. Okay.